Hey everyone, Patrick Hughes. Here's a stock that we recommended to our members. You could see it really exploded to the upside. This went up in one day, really, from where we initiated to the next day as we exited. Really got out at the high range. We told our members that we'd see prices move into the 214 range. We hit 210, and we said once we started seeing prices go over 2, we'd be out of the stock. You could see that was very dramatic resistance there, and we were able to exit at a 72% return in one day, one trading day, basically. Entered in, exited on the next day, and really excited about that. And you could see how prices really started to drop here. They're showing down 25%. They're showing that it could come down as far as $1.25. And you know what? This is why you need to be able to time your entries and exits, and that's why it's so imperative. Now, anyone could sometimes pick a stock. When do they pick it? Do they get you out at a good time? And do they avoid some of the pitfalls that come with some of these momentum trades? And that's exactly what took place here. Let me show you what we've been doing with the S&P 500. In some of our videos, we already talked about what we previously done, but we're going to do it again here. We told our members we'd see a high around 1690. We hit 1687, 16. This was way before the price action even came up into that range. We felt that we'd see a pretty good corrective action during that time. We told them it should move into the 1640. That's exactly the range. For the most part, we saw some major support and resistance right at that range between the 1640 to 1645. You could see that really became a very dominant range in this overall action of the S&P. You could see we're looking at the 60-minute. Then we told our members, hey, we're going to see this kind of try to rally here, but it's going to fail. We felt it was going to try to retest this range, but fail breaking the high here. That's exactly what happened. We told them it should move around into the 1670, 1672 range. We saw that happen. As a matter of fact, days before this ever happened, right in here, we told our members to watch for this date and this date, and we told our members as we move into June, at the end of May, we should see prices accelerate to the downside, and that's exactly what happened. We told our members we'd see us move to 1620. We hit 1622. We took the bounce. We told them that we'd see that find some resistance at 1640, and we'd move to 1600. That's exactly where we went, to 1598 on the low. And then we told our members we'd see a bounce, and we'd move up into the 1645. We felt it would be a very significant move, and we hit a high of 1644.40 on the first day. Then we saw a little bit of an extension there, but we told our members, as far as we're concerned, that's still 1645. We feel that there's major resistance at this range, and unless we broke through 1552, we think we're going to see prices test again the 1622 range, maybe hitting 1622 or 1624. We hit the low today of 1622.92 as prices started to gap down and bounce back here to the 1640, and then you see it trying to close again. This is what we've been doing, and I think in the right hands, this kind of knowledge and this kind of in-depth accuracy can really go a long way with it. But we need you to take that first initial step, become a member now. This way you could follow our stock picks and our daily technical analysis. Let us show you our next breakout stock. I'm going to be with you every step of the way. We'll make trading easier. Sign up now, find out our next breakout stock. Happy trading.